All right, quiz 2.02, reasoning part 1, example 2. Given that angle A and angle B are complementary, Daisy conjectured that angle A is congruent to angle B. Which statement is a counterexample to her conjecture? Okay, so complementary means that they add up to 90 degrees. So that means we can eliminate these two because they are way more than 90 degrees. 45 and 45 are congruent. That agrees with her statement, although they are complementary. But 50 and 40 add up to 90, which is complementary, but they are not congruent. So this is the counterexample.